Alright, this is the overview for the data visualization project for Russell Ellis. So in this project, I created a data visualization simulation using some prefabricated cubes and having a plane with some agent-based stuff so that they can move around to different targets. So if I run it here, we can see these cubes are coming out from the left side of the screen, and they go towards these different statistics based on a data set that I got. The data set is around the math scores of students based on the test preparation that they did, and there's these numbers, and the different cubes goes towards those different areas. So the general idea here is just to have those cubes, and using a lot of agents in the nav mesh that is built into Unity. And so, if I go over to the code, we can see the infinite. This is what I called. This is the spawner, and so it creates a home place that's the spawn area for all the cubes, and then in each frame, well, every couple frames, it will create new cubes for the different thing. And then each cube has its own spawning script, and these are exactly the same. They find the spot they need to go, and then at the start, what happens is what they do is they randomly select which one of the four or five that they want to go to, and they set that destination, and then they check to see if they have reached a certain point, and at which point they are destroyed, which is very helpful because that removes kind of heavy strain on the processor. And so what worked best in this project was the navigation, and since this is the second project that I used navigation for, I understood it way better, and it was pretty useful and pretty helpful for this project. And actually, one thing that left me a bit confused was instantiation, which is how I use the spawning. Still left me a little bit confused, and I got it pretty well down, but even in further projects, it has been a little bit more confusing, and I've had to do more research into it. One further thing I could actually do with this is just using more navigation mesh, and just for the projects, I've used more of the navigation, and it's been really useful from this project to use that. And then I didn't add any extras on, but I'm sure I could figure out a way to add more data sets, because a lot of this project was setting out a really good baseline, so I could put in the data pretty easily. And so yeah, that's the reflection, and that's what I've been doing for this project.